Many people speak English, even fewer understand the words. So I am initiating this experiment in offering lessons in the universal language. Here, we will start with 4 words: mini, minute, minnow, and minimum. Now, the universal language is based on sound and on sound geometry. Here we have 4 triangles for the geometry part, so each word has its own hadron. For fun, let's add some concave arc shapes to the end of each triangle. Next, let's add limbs to the mum. Add an eye and mouth and tail to the fish. Add the rest of the clock to the minute. Now, let's add some directional arrows representing the direction of out or the direction of forward. Let's add some equations. I equals I. Ut equals out. Now equals time. Mum equals mum. All of these are small versions of some bigger idea. A small view, a small slice of time, a small fish, and a small baby. The baby is a small version of a mom. The final equation is that all of the words represent the idea of in and out. I will send $10 via PayPal to the first person who is able to comment what small word. Just comment to all these 4 words, and it's not the word min or the word in.